សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាសូមស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់ Channel រៀនភាសាអង់គ្លេសរបស់យើងខ្ញុំថ្ងៃនេះយើងនឹងរៀនប្រយោគអង់គ្លេសសាមញ្ញៗសម្រាប់ការញ៉ាំអាហារនៅភោជនីយដ្ឋានតោះចាប់ផ្ដើមរៀនទាំងអស់គ្នា Hello do you have a free table for two សួស្តីតើមានតុទំនេរសម្រាប់ពីរនាក់ទេ Hello do you have a free table for two I would like to book a table for 7 p.m. tonight. ខ្ញុំចង់កក់តុសម្រាប់ម៉ោង 7 យប់នេះ I would like to book a table for 7 p.m. tonight. Table for 4 please. សុំតុសម្រាប់ 4 នាក់ Table for 4 please. How long do we have to wait? តើយើងត្រូវរង់ចាំយូរប៉ុន្មាន How long do we have to wait? Please bring me the menu. សូមយកមីនុយមកឲ្យខ្ញុំផង Please bring me the menu. Can I see the drink menu please? សូមឲ្យខ្ញុំមើលមីនុយភេសជ្ជៈបានទេ Can I see the drink menu please? What is today's special? តើម្ហូបពិសេសប្រចាំថ្ងៃនេះមានអ្វីខ្លះ What is today's special? What ingredients are in this dish? តើម្ហូបនេះផ្សំពីគ្រឿងអ្វីខ្លះ What ingredients are in this dish? Does this dish contain peanuts? តើម្ហូបនេះមានសណ្តែកដីទេ Does this dish contain peanuts? I am vegetarian. I don't eat meat. ខ្ញុំបួសខ្ញុំមិនញ៉ាំសាច់ទេ I am vegetarian. I don't eat meat. Can I order now? តើខ្ញុំអាចកម្មង់ម្ហូបឥឡូវនេះបានទេ Can I order now? I will have this dish and one bowl of fries. ខ្ញុំយកម្ហូបនេះមួយចាននិងបាយមួយចាន I will have this dish and one bowl of rice. I would like an appetizer first. ខ្ញុំចង់បានអាហារសម្រន់មុនគេ I would like an appetizer first. I want dessert after the meal. ខ្ញុំចង់បានបង្អែមបន្ទាប់ពីបាយរួច I want dessert after the meal. Please don't put chili in my food. សូមកុំដាក់ម្ទេសក្នុងម្ហូបឲ្យខ្ញុំ Please don't put chili in my food. Can I have a glass of cold water please? ខ្ញុំសូមទឹកត្រជាក់មួយកែវបានទេ Can I have a glass of cold water please? I want a glass of orange juice ខ្ញុំចង់បានទឹកក្រូចមួយកែវ I want a glass of orange juice. Could you bring me an extra spoon តើអ្នកអាចយកស្លាបព្រាបន្ថែមមួយឲ្យខ្ញុំបានទេ Could you bring me an extra spoon? Can I have chopstick please តើខ្ញុំអាចសុំចង្កឹះបានទេ Can I have chopstick please? Could I have some napkins or tissue ខ្ញុំសុំកន្សែងក្រដាសឬក្រដាសជូតមាត់ខ្លះបានទេ Could I have some napkins or tissue? Can I have a straw please ខ្ញុំសូមបំពង់បឺតមួយបានទេ Can I have a straw please? Could you bring me some more water តើអ្នកអាចយកទឹកបន្ថែមឲ្យខ្ញុំបានទេ Could you bring me some more water? The food is taking too long ម្ហូបយឺតពេកហើយ The food is taking too long. Could you change this for me please សូមជួយប្ដូរឲ្យខ្ញុំមួយចានទៀតបានទេ Could you change this for me please? How much is the total តើថ្លៃសរុបប៉ុន្មាន How much is the total? Can I pay by credit card or ABA តើខ្ញុំអាចបង់ប្រាក់ដោយកាតឥណទានឬ ABA បានទេ Can I pay by credit card or ABA? Can I pay with cash តើខ្ញុំអាចបង់ជាសាច់ប្រាក់បានទេ Can I pay with cash? Please give me a receipt សូមឲ្យវិក័យប័ត្រខ្ញុំមួយផង Please give me a receipt. Thank you the food was great I'll come again អរគុណម្ហូបឆ្ងាញ់ណាស់លើកក្រោយខ្ញុំនឹងមកម្ដងទៀត Thank you the food was great I'll come again